Hi students, today in this video we go for the another exercises of poem 8 and the name of the poem is Nobody's Friend. Let's see the another exercises. We start from complete the poem. And here is the exercise that complete the poem. The one stanza of poem given here and you have to complete the lines of that stanza. Here I took the second stanza of the poem that he had some toffee and ate. Here two words are missing that every bit, and these missing words you have to write from the textbook page number 131 of your of Marigold textbook, and you have to complete this by yourself. The second line he had here the missing word is tricycle and he wouldn't lend. The second word is lend. In the second line two words are missing, tricycle and lend. In the third line he never let anyone play with. Here two words missing, his train. And in the fourth line he is dash nobody's friend. Here also two words are missing, nobody's friend. So these missing words you have to write from the textbook page number 131 and you have to complete this exercise by yourself. And now we go for the next exercise. And here is the next that poetry comprehension. Read the poem and answer the questions. One or two stanzas of the poem given here and you have to read those stanzas and you have to give the answer of given questions. I took here the third and the last stanza of the poem that but I shall say. This is the first line, this is the starting line, and the end of this stanza is I am your friend. So you have to read this stanza from your textbook and after then you have to attempt the questions given here. And now we go for the questions. And here are the questions of that stanza that what does the girl want to land. Here we have to mention the things that the girl want to land. जो गर्ल है वो क्या अपनी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो सबको देना चाहती है. आंसर द गर्ल वांट्स टू लैंड हर बॉल बुक्स एंड गेम्स. वो अपनी जो बॉल अपना जो बॉल है अपनी जो बुक्स है और अपनी जो गेम्स है वो सबको देना चाहती है. नंबर 2, राइट द अपोजिट वर्ड्स. हियर टू वर्ड्स आर गिवन एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द अपोजिट वर्ड्स फ्रॉम दिस स्टांजा. Number 1, full. The opposite of full is half and half word we can find in this stanza. Number 2, borrow. The opposite word of borrow is lend. Borrow means to take from someone and lend means to give to someone. Borrow यानी किसी से कुछ मांगना और lend यानी किसी को कुछ देना. So these are the opposites and the answers we can find from the poem. Number 3, write rhyming words from the poem. Here in this stanza which rhyming words we can find. Here only one pair of rhyming word is there and it is lend friend. So these are comprehension questions and now we go for the short question answers. And here are the short question answers of entire poem. Number 1, did the boy share his toffee and tricycle with others? Here we have to give the confirmation that did the boy share his toffee and tricycle with other friends, with other people. And answer is no, the boy did not share his toffee and tricycle with others. Here the answer is no, the boy did not share. Means जो boy है वो किसी के साथ share नहीं करता है अपनी toffee और tricycle because he is nobody's friend. Number 2, why are the two children nobody's friends? यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट और सेकंड स्टांजा में जो बॉय और गर्ल है वो किसी के फ्रेंड क्यों नहीं है. आंसर द टू चिल्ड्रन आर नोबडीज फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज दे डू नॉट शेयर और लैंड देयर थिंग्स टू एनीवन. ये जो टू चिल्ड्रन है जो गर्ल और बॉय वो अपनी जो चीज़ें है वो किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करते हैं, अपनी चीज़ें किसी को देते नहीं हैं. सो दैट्स वाई दे आर नोबडीज फ्रेंड्स. सो these two questions from the poem. I hope you understood all the exercises very well. You have to read these exercises and you have to repeat these exercises in your notebook. Thank you.